Hello, good evening. I'm Dr. Namsram. I'm from Shillong, Meghalaya, and right now we're currently practicing in Shillong, and also I'm working in the government of Meghalaya. Right, and I've been practicing in my own clinic for about 6-7 years, and in my practice, I've been lacking in many of the clinical practices. So then I heard about Sachdeva. So then I come here to learn the clinical skills about surgery. So then coming here, I've got to learn a number of things, and from the first day itself I was very amazed, in fact very amazed to know the skills, to learn new skills. The first thing we learned was about the socket preservation. So then it was a totally new traumatic technique of tooth removal and how we preserve the socket. Then we learned about different methods of infection removal, like horizontal, all the things. It was like very amazing to have experience in this institution. Not only that, sir also he taught us about the laser phrenectomy and the other procedures, and not only the appendectomy. And there are other more that I have learned a lot of things from here. Even the implant, which augmentation, that was like first time, it's a very new thing, and I'm very impressed with what I have seen here in the institution. And not only that, in the future we are also going to come and learn about specific infection. Maybe in about 2-3 months we're going to come back and learn about specific infections. So we're looking forward to it, and I hope it's a good one. And it's very important for us to learn the new things about surgery, especially because other things we can somehow do it, but surgery we need skills. We need to have confidence. We need to know the proper techniques. Otherwise, if we cannot apply the proper techniques, then many things can happen to our patients and to ourselves. So in order to get confidence and in order to practice nicely, we need to get proper skills, and with proper skills come the confidence. So I am quite confident. I'm not that quite confident, but then I have learned the skills, so I can develop more confidence in the future. That in a way, it's going to help me more in my clinical practices. So I'm really feeling so happy that I have come to this institution, and I'm really grateful to our Sachdeva. Thank you very much. And about the mentoring here by Dr. Sachdeva, and from what I have seen that he has done to the patients, I think the patients were very satisfied, and all the work that he has done to all the patients were all successful ones. And as a student, he has mentored me very well, and he has given the confidence that the work that he does, since he has done the work and they're all successful one. So I'm sure under his mentoring I can also be somebody 50% I can be. So then I'm happy that he is a good mentor. And to everyone, if you are planning to come to him to be mentored, then I think he is very good. I'm really happy.